We're Immobiliser Fit and it's a Halo Mini protecting a 2020 Discovery Sport. If a thief got the key, done a relay attack and went to steal it, it's not going to start, it's just not going to detect the key. They're going to be unable to drive it away. For you to drive it, you hop in, pop a push sequence in, get a flash, and then you can start the vehicle. When it runs, you can drive off. As soon as you hop out, the system becomes active with a 2 flash confirmation. So if someone got your key as soon as you hopped out, they're going to be unable to take it, because it's going to need your code straight away. So we'll pop the code in, get our flash, and now we can start it and drive away. If you're taking this for a service, what you'll do, pop your code in to confirm it's you, turn the ignition on. Now you'll pop your code in and hold on the last press for 10 seconds, and we're going to get 5 flashes. Now it's in service mode, as you'll see. When we leave the vehicle, the system doesn't arm. It starts up and they can drive it without a code. When you get it back home, you want it secure, keep your foot off the brake, turn the ignition on. Just like before, pop your code in, and on the last one, hold it for 10 seconds. This time we're only going to get 1 flash. There we go, system's back on. So as soon as we open the door, it's active and we're going to be unable to drive it without a code. On this system on this vehicle we've also fitted the Halo Track immobiliser with remote immobilisation. So if we pop our code in and disarm the vehicle, we can drive it. But obviously if someone's seen our code and they've driven the vehicle off, we don't want them to drive it anymore, we can go into the tracking system and totally kill the vehicle. So if it's in service mode, it's going to turn on the immobiliser. If someone stole it with the immobiliser on, it's no longer going to accept the code. So we'll just make sure it's active. Once we confirm, see the command successful. Now as you'll see, if we try and start it, it's not going to start. We try and pop our code in, it's just not going to accept it. We get no flash. And the vehicle's totally locked out. There's going to be no way to drive it until you go back into the app and recover the vehicle. So we'll just do that. So this is whether it gets stolen in service mode or someone's got your code. They're going to be unable to drive it. You can totally lock it out, and the only way to get back into it is to unlock it from the app. So as you can see, it's successful. So now if we try and pop our code in, it's going to accept it now. We get our flash and we can start the vehicle. This is the Halo Mini with a Halo Track Plus remote total kill. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.